Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. In the last video we went over the presentation mode and we learned some pretty cool and interesting animations where if you pop into presentation mode you can hit the space bar and cycle through all of the different fun animations and everything that it has to offer. Really cool if you wanted to, let's say, do a presentation for work or for something. In this video, we're going to go over configuration. Configuration invites configuration file. So we have our different plugins. So one for Motion Canvas itself, one for FFmpeg. We can have custom options here for our project, which I'd assume go here. Type string or an array of strings, and then our default value is source projects.ts. It is important, the import path of the project file is relative to the configuration file. Globs are also supported. So if I had multiple projects in the same folder that I have here, or repo if it's in Git, I could have multiple projects. Why would you want to have multiple projects? Well, they can share the same scene if that's what you wanted to do. I think for my videos after going through this Motion Canvas series, I'll have multiple projects in the same repo, essentially, all sharing from each other. I think that's the way I'm going to go in the future, but that's how you would do it. Output. So by default, it's in the output directory, and we would be able to override that. Same thing with buffered assets, editor. So if you wanted to actually modify the editor, you could do that. That's cool. Different proxies, settings. So yeah, that's also very cool. So yeah, so that's how you would do some configurations here if you would want to. I'm sure if you wanted to configure FFmpeg, that would also be an option there as well. That seems like a very quick video, but that's all there is for configurations. If you find this content useful, hit the subscribe button. In the next video, we're going to go over components and go through all the different types of components. And until then, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.